Guys, I am so excited about this product. So I love being outside with my family, but I have 3 kids and we are outside for all different reasons. Sports, we like to go outside and go hiking sometimes. And a lot of times my kids are like playing somewhere, either in the park or, like if we're on a hike or even with different games, like they're out and about, they're playing, they're doing different things. So when the company sent me this to try out, I was like so excited because like personally, I want my kids to be able to go out and play, but like I want to sit down somewhere and kind of relax, and not always is there like a chair to just sit and hang out while my kids are playing. So this works awesome for that. So it comes like I showed you how it came. It comes in this container, which is super light. This is like a very light silicone rubber feeling. It has this like keychain so you could hook onto something, and then you can go ahead and blow this up. It's water resistant. It's not like a float or anything. So it's not like you can go, sit in a pool with it, but it can absolutely get wet, and you just go ahead and inflate it, and then it becomes like a little outdoor cushion. So, I mean, this is something I would never think of picking up, but now that I have it, I'm so excited. Like I'll leave this in my car. I will take it, throw it into I still have a stroller for my little one if we're going somewhere. So I can just be comfortable. Like I don't like sitting on the ground anymore. I don't like sitting on a rock. Like I want to be comfortable now, especially as I've gotten older, or even for the sporting events. Like we have to sit on bleachers sometimes to watch for hours. So this is just so easy. Like I love this. So if you are an outdoors family, if you need something to just sit and have a little cushion, but don't want to take up a ton of space, if you camp, hike, backpack, perfect for this. Definitely recommend it.